In this video, I want to show you a feature of Zoom Rooms that allows you to zero-touch provision Zoom Rooms appliances. What this will do is allow you to upload devices up to 1,000 at a time to your web portal and assign them to rooms. When those devices power on, they'll reach out to our Zoom device management servers and automatically be logged into the room that you've assigned them to. To get started, go to your Zoom web portal, go to Device Management, and then click on Device List. From here, go ahead and click on the Import option, and you want to make sure you've selected Zoom Rooms devices. Now, this only works for appliances. This does not work for Zoom Rooms on Mac and Windows. Here I can download a sample CSV to see exactly what format needs to be in there. I can assign the devices that I upload as a Zoom Rooms computer, a Zoom Rooms controller, or a scheduling display. Now I've already got a file here, so I'm going to click Choose File. I'm going to choose this ZR template here and hit Open. Now, in the import process, I can click on these three little dots, click on Import History, and I can get a list of all the imports that I've done in the past. If there's any failures, we'll give you a download link to download a CSV with an error code for each one. Now I can see my last one was complete. If I go back to my device list here, I can now see a new Poly X30. Now, the icon next to it shows unlinked, so this means the device is not powered on or it hasn't connected to Zoom yet. Once this device is powered on and connected to Zoom, it'll automatically assign itself to my account. I could have assigned a Zoom room in the process of importing. In this CSV, you can see that I've got my device name, my MAC address, serial number, my vendor, the model. I chose not to do a tag, and I chose not to assign a room to this one during the import. But I did assign this as the Zoom Room computer. If I go back to my portal, I can see that this device shows unassigned, and I can choose to assign this to a room. This is a feature that makes deploying devices simple and easy. Whether you have devices that aren't on site yet or devices that already are on site, this will be a fast and easy way for you to get these devices into your portal